Varuna, what do you have today, maga?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
So boys, we have restored another beauty today and taking you through this amazing legend of a RX. So we restored the RX. It's beautiful. Look at this masterpiece. RX100 used to be the best bike of the 90s. It's a lovely piece that we have restored. And Varuna, what else have we done on this bike?
Standard protocol, Bhaiya. So the whole bike was stripped down, sandblasted, paint, all the parts, all the main parts, wiring, rubbers, cables, everything is new. One thing which is once again extra done on this bike is a full engine build. Starting off from the shaft, engine bearings, the bore had problems with it, so it is rebored, all painted to brand new looking stock condition. There's a small backstory to this bike. So apparently the bike was stolen and they got it back. The vehicle owner was able to get the bike back. And then he saw a couple of bikes online which were restored and he wanted us to work on it. Got it. So we stripped it down, restored to absolute glory. All stock. There's no aftermarket or anything out of stock kind of thing done on the bike.
You must have some really good fortune in India to lose a bike and get it back.
Absolutely. And
Specifically then to fix it up like this.
RX which was lost and getting it back. He could be considered one of the most luckiest person.
Yes. So Varuna, please show our viewers. Start it again. Make them smell the smoke.
Our kind of perfume.
Exactly. This is our kind of perfume. Hey, ನಾನು ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀನೋ ಓಕೆನಾ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. Hi guys, Rajesh here. Expedition Motors and Beyond Tarmac has always been an extended family. Knowing them since the founding times, multiple vehicles have come and gone, lot of things have happened, but this RX has always been an emotion to me because this is the one which has always been a very fond memory of my father, and apparently this is my elder brother. So I just wanted to gift him restored on his 60th birthday. So best place to get it done at the best time, Expedition Motors. Cheers. Ready? What should he say? Oh, he should start the bike and.
Yeah. Ask him.
Varun, what do we have here today?
Motorcycle.
Like, correct agada, like. He started recording, correct agada.
So ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ
Hey, this is all going to go in the vlog.
No.
It is.
Retake.
No,